Who would have thought that Christmas?
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm back with another winter work day in my life. Things have been super busy. I literally got back from Italy last night and I wanted to start another vlog because I have some really exciting things happening in the next 24 hours. Would it be one of my vlogs if I didn't document them? To recap, I've just gotten back from Italy. My room is a bit of a mess, so I need to tidy that. Tonight, I've just gotten ready because I'm going to be going to a lounge event. I was very kindly invited down to Lounge Cardiff. Also going to be going to Starbucks with my mum because we have just bought Starbucks Christmas cups and we're going to try out some of the new drinks menu. And then tomorrow night I have a LUSH event which I am beyond excited for because it's all about Snow Fairy. And if you know, you know, I am a Snow Fairy lover. I'm also a huge LUSH lover, so I am so excited to be attending. It's going to be a busy work 24 hours of my life and also going to be having a bit of a reset and just getting back into my routine. This is my favourite time of the year, so I'm just so grateful for these opportunities and to be attending events like the ones I'm attending tomorrow night and tonight. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing because I feel like my outfit's really cute. I've got on a black top which is from Zara, my black trench coat which is New Look, blue denim jeans with my Coach belt, all of my Pandora jewellery on. I love Pandora so much. I've got new charm that I got from Italy on here, so let me just show you guys. Look at my new charm I got in Italy. I haven't showed you guys what it looks like on the bracelet. That is everything that I needed to mention in this intro. Gingerbread latte with oat milk. It's my first one of the season. I haven't had one yet this year. And then I also got a polar bear cake box. Give this a sip. It's better already. So let's give it a taste test. My mum's just coming with me now and she's just got a drink as well.
Hi, so I got the iced chocolatey caramel, not caramel, I got the iced chocolatey mousse latte, it's delicious. Yeah. I'm off to the gym, hence the jumper. Cheers!
Okay guys, I'm in New Look right now and I'm choosing out some pieces for a partnership on Instagram. So you guys what I found? I've chosen out some really cute comfy knits and I'm thinking about pairing it with some leg warmers. I've had my eye on these gorgeous cream ones from New Look and maybe a scarf and earmuffs. Let me show you guys what I've chosen out before I try them on. I found this really cute checked skirt. I really need something like this to go with some tights, so I thought this could be a really cute candidate. And I've also found this gorgeous chunky knit cardigan which I might go for because it looks so pretty. So soft. It's from Apricot. New Look stocks Apricot. I then have this quarter neck cream jumper. This is also so soft. I really love the style of this and the fact that it zips up and down. And then I've also chosen out this knitted zip up jumper. Again, a really cute candidate. This is so cute. I can see myself wearing this even just with jeans. I also really like the material. It's nice and thick and super soft. And also be so easy to layer this with a scarf, earmuffs, a coat. It's so nice. Okay, before I look at this one, I think I'm just gonna overheat in it because it's so nice, but I think it might be a bit too sweaty. Let's try on the skirt and the cardigan. This is what the skirt looks like. The skirt is really nice. It is a little bit too short though. The front it's fine, but from the back it's a bit too short. It is still really cute. I really do like the gingham on it. Honestly, I do really love it. Also, just imagine cozy days around the house. I would live in this. Genuinely, I'd live in this. I've just chosen out two absolutely gorgeous sets. pods. So let me show you guys what I'm choosing out. This is their Attract set in dark blue. I just love it. I love the bow on the front. I also love the bralette as well. It is absolutely gorgeous, and they also have it in a olive color as well. Olive Lounge's bralettes are so stunning. I also love this one. I love this red / burgundy one. This is the Lounge Adore Balcony Bra and Underwear set. I also received this set but in dark green, which is forest green, which is so pretty on. I love the festive colors. This is the lace triangle bra, and also they have the matching underwear as well to go with it. But you just can't beat Lounge intimates. I feel like they're all so gorgeous. I also love all of their bottoms. They currently have an offer on in-store, which is £3 for £36 or 6 for £60, and they are all stunning. I really like the baby pink ones, burgundy, red. There's so many cute ones to choose from, fruity ones. The material of these is so buttery soft. Also have some floral ones in white and blue, and they actually have a sale on. I really love this set. I might come back and get it myself. Goes in right now, just as I pick up my camera, I'm just gonna be like, what is going on? I don't feel like life is real right now. If you guys know, I love my Nespresso machine. I love coffee, particularly I love Nespresso. I've been using their machines and coffee capsules for literally years. I think they're the reason why I love coffee so much, to be honest. I love posting Nespresso related content, and I had an Instagram DM from them a few days ago wanting to send me some of their brand new Christmas collection, and they've actually sent me a range of their capsules for my new machine, which I'm just so grateful for. I cannot believe this is such like a can't believe my life right now kind of moment. These are the flavors that we have. First up, we have Change Please is focused on changing the lives of those experiences homelessness in local communities through the power of coffee. Thanks to you, this partnership will give people a second shot at building a new life. So they've actually sent me 2 of these coffee pods. Look how adorable these coffee capsules are. The Verto Sweet Almond and Hibiscus pods. This is the one I've actually made this morning, and I really love it. If you love like almond, you guys will love this. It's so good. Festive Collection Double Espresso. These look so good. This is an intensity, and it's got cereal notes, which means this should be really yummy. I've had a few of their cereal noted pods before, which are so pretty. Look at this one. And then lastly, I'm so excited to try this flavour. This is the Festive Collection flavoured cinnamon and candied tamarind. Please tell me this does not look like Christmas in a box. Ah! Oh guys, look at this one. Look how cute this capsule is. I'm really excited to make this one actually. I think this might be a favourite. I'm gonna try all of them out this week. In love with all of them. They also wrote me a handwritten card. Thank you for all the love this year. Enjoy our new limited edition coffees and add a touch of magic to your favourite season. Team Nespresso. Thank you so much, Nespresso. This is so kind. I love you guys, and I love your coffee. I've picked up my camera and I'm going to be going to the gym today and doing some work out and about today at a coffee shop. Thought this morning I could finish off this video and clue you guys in on some updates in my life at the moment. The last few days have been absolutely amazing. I feel genuinely so grateful for these opportunities. I know this video has kind of been jam-packed with events, lots of branded content, so I really wanted to include a talking segment just to kind of break it up a little bit and to talk to you guys about what's kind of going on in my life. I'm gonna be so real with you guys. Things have been very go the last few weeks, and I found myself last week super overwhelmed, and I've been trying to navigate that. Thought the self-care wasn't doing it for me. Time to recoup, far away from my phone. I know that we're all humans and that everyone needs time to reset, but I think I really overworked myself. I just need a little bit of a break. Everything I do, I suppose, with content creation is literally at my fingertips, so it's hard sometimes to shut my mind off when my mind is like, okay, I need to edit this, I still need to film this, I need to email this person, and I think I just was burning myself out a little bit. I didn't actually burn myself out though, that's the good thing, I suppose. I was definitely nearing a burnout. I've taken this morning quite slowly. I started with washing my hair and just really having a mini reset, and sometimes it's just really needed. I don't know if what I'm saying is making any sense. I'm trying my best to find balance in between work life and personal life. That's kind of how I've been feeling, what's kind of been going on, but nonetheless I'm so grateful for everything, and I feel super happy with where I'm at with everything. Genuinely cannot believe that 2025 is almost over and that we are approaching December and we are almost halfway into November. That's come around so quickly. I just find it crazy that the year is almost over. Out today. I've also got this Refi mini face setting spray I got in the Sephora goodie bag. I'm gonna get changed in a second and head out for the day. If you are feeling down in any way, just remember it is completely okay to take a few days off or to have some downtime and really focus on self-care and making yourself feel better. I think if I hadn't have slowed down, I really would have burnt myself out. It's good to recognize that early on so then you can help yourself in the long run. If you haven't done any self-care lately, do something for yourself today. Read a book, make a comfort meal, go on a long walk, go to the gym, do something that is gonna make you feel good. You deserve to be the happiest version of yourself, and taking care of you is so important. I've had so much fun bringing you all along with me for the last few days in my life and showing you all what a very busy but amazing 48 hours can look like sometimes. I'm just so grateful for all of my brand relationships and to be invited to events like these because I have the most amazing time. I love you guys. I really hope you've all enjoyed watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already because the Christmas content is coming. I cannot wait to bring you guys along with me. Vlogmas through December, through New Year's prep. This year's gonna be really good. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!